Are you considering whether to buy new construction or a resale home in Northern Virginia? The answer hinges on your timeline, budget, location, and willingness to make trade-offs. Let's explore the two options. New construction has its allure. You get modern layouts, energy-efficient systems, new appliances, and fewer immediate maintenance concerns. In growing areas like Loudoun and Prince William, new communities often come with amenities such as trails, pools, and fitness centers, enhancing your lifestyle from day one. However, new construction has its drawbacks. The base price can quickly escalate with lot premiums, upgrades, and HOA fees. You might face noise and dust from ongoing construction, and resale value could be impacted if similar homes are still being sold nearby. On the other hand, resale homes offer distinct advantages. You can see the finished product, evaluate the neighborhood, and often close faster. Established communities may have larger lots and mature landscaping, especially in areas like Arlington and Alexandria. Yet, resale homes may require maintenance and renovations. Buyers should assess the condition of roofs, HVAC systems, and plumbing. The key question is not just the home's age, but how well it has been maintained by the previous owners. When comparing costs, consider total expenses, not just the purchase price. New construction may have higher upfront costs but lower maintenance needs, while resale homes might be cheaper initially but require significant renovations and updates over time. The right choice depends on your lifestyle and financial plan. DCI Homes can assist you in comparing builder contracts and resale opportunities to find the best fit. As you begin your search, remember that many buyers start with a strong preference for either new or resale homes, only to find the decision is more complex. Model homes are designed to impress, showcasing high-end finishes that may not be included in the base price. Understanding what is included is crucial. Customization is a major perk of new construction, allowing you to personalize your home. However, it requires careful budgeting to avoid costly upgrades. Prioritize essential changes that are difficult to make later, such as electrical rough-ins, plumbing for a future bath, or higher quality flooring. In Northern Virginia, the market moves fast. In Fairfax County, established neighborhoods offer a sense of community that takes years to build in new developments. Conversely, the rapid growth in Loudoun County provides infrastructure that is brand new and evolving to meet modern needs. Energy efficiency is another advantage of new builds, with modern codes ensuring lower utility costs and increased comfort. Plus, new homes typically require less maintenance initially, as everything is under warranty. This peace of mind is a major selling point for busy professionals. However, don't assume that new homes don't need inspections. Even new constructions can have defects, so hiring a qualified inspector is wise. They can identify issues like improper flashing or grading that could lead to long-term problems. Your DCI Homes agent can recommend specialized inspectors. Consider the construction timeline. New builds often take months to complete, which may not align with your moving needs. Discuss dates with the builder. Delays are common, so having a flexible transition plan, like a short-term rental, is essential to avoid unnecessary stress during your move. Evaluate the surrounding community. New developments may still be expanding, affecting your daily life and future resale value. You might be living in a construction zone for years, which can be challenging for those working from home or seeking immediate quiet. Now, let's shift to resale homes. They provide certainty, allowing you to see the property and neighborhood as they are right now. You can assess mature landscaping, parking conditions, and commute times firsthand. In Northern Virginia, traffic patterns are a huge factor in your daily happiness. Resale homes often come with larger lots and established communities, which may appeal to those seeking privacy and outdoor space. However, larger lots require more maintenance and a higher commitment to yard work and landscaping costs compared to newer, smaller lots. Negotiation is another advantage of resale homes. Unlike builders, sellers may be more flexible on price and terms, allowing for potential savings. You might negotiate for repairs, closing cost credits, or a faster settlement that meets your specific moving deadline and financial requirements. Inspections are critical for resale homes, helping you understand the property's condition and maintenance history before you commit to the purchase. Look for service records and renovations that have been done properly with the necessary permits from the local county offices in Northern Virginia. Location remains a strong argument for resale homes, often closer to employment centers and amenities that are already fully operational. A shorter commute can significantly enhance your quality of life, especially if you work in Tysons, Arlington, or the heart of Washington, D.C. As you weigh your options, consider future maintenance needs. Every home will require repairs, so budgeting for these expenses is essential for long-term ownership. A home is a living entity that needs constant care, from seasonal HVAC tuning to gutter cleaning and keeping the exterior well maintained. Monthly ownership costs are crucial. Don't just focus on the purchase price. Consider taxes, insurance, HOA fees, and maintenance reserves. A lower purchase price might lead to higher monthly costs if the home is inefficient or needs immediate, expensive work like a new roof or windows. Appreciation varies and there are no guarantees. Focus on finding a home that aligns with your financial situation and long-term plans. Northern Virginia has historically shown strong resilience, but specific neighborhoods perform differently based on school ratings and local development projects. Builder incentives can be enticing, but understand the terms. They might offer free upgrades or closing cost assistance if you use their preferred lender. Evaluate the total value, not just the headline discount, as the lender's rates might be higher than the market average you could find elsewhere. Timing is also key. If you need to move quickly, resale homes may be your best option. If you have time and want something brand new, new construction could be worth it. Think about resale potential and what future buyers might want. Modern open concepts, home offices, and outdoor living spaces are currently in high demand. Lifestyle flexibility is important too. As your life changes, your home should adapt to your needs and reflect how you live daily. A large yard might be great for kids now, but a low-maintenance townhome or condo might be better as you look to simplify your daily routine later. Avoid common mistakes like making emotional decisions, stretching your budget too thin, or rushing just due to market competition. A home is a long-term commitment. Ultimately, the best choice is the one that supports your lifestyle and financial goals. DCI Homes is here to provide the data and insights you need to make a confident choice. To simplify your decision, ask yourself key questions about your timeline, your daily commute, and your comfort level with ongoing maintenance projects. Let's look at a few specific scenarios. If you are an active family looking for a community with organized sports and new schools, a new development in Low-Dun might be perfect. If you are a young professional wanting to walk to restaurants and metro stops, an established home in Arlington is likely a better fit for your lifestyle. Understanding these local nuances is where DCI Homes truly shines. The biggest takeaway: don't view new construction and resale homes as competitors. Instead, consider how each option supports the life you want to build in this vibrant region. Each path leads to a different version of your future. Whether you prefer a modern home with minimal maintenance or an established neighborhood with character, both can be excellent investments when they align with your goals. Northern Virginia offers incredible diversity in housing, from historic townhomes to cutting-edge smart homes equipped with the latest technology. For personalized guidance, reach out to DCI Homes. Your ideal home is waiting for you, and we are ready to help you find it. Together, we can navigate this market. With DCI Homes, you have a partner who understands the local nuances and is dedicated to your success. We pride ourselves on clear communication and expert negotiation. We hope this guide has provided clarity for your next steps. Have a great day and happy house hunting. Together, we can make your dreams a reality.